Hello and welcome to our new training video. Today I want to show you how to implement the UnitScheme into LASAL SCREEN. I want to switch through two units with the UnitScheme, from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit and back. Therefore, I created an HMI and an LSE project. In the HMI project, we got the class MyHMI with two servers. One is temperature. Here you can insert the temperature values, and the other server is UnitScheme. This server is to switch the units. Both servers are set to visualize true and write protected false. I have updated these servers in the LSE project. I have placed the temperature server as numEdit. I also inserted a button and set the data source to my UnitScheme server, so I can switch through the units. To implement the UnitScheme, you go to the project tree to Schemes and do a double click on UnitSchemes. Add a new folder with the button Add New Folder. Call it My UnitScheme. Add a new UnitScheme with the white sheet of paper. Call it UnitScheme. As variable, we set the server which we use to switch the units. In our case, it is the server UnitScheme. Click on the arrow to the right and select the server UnitScheme. Click on OK. Next step is to add a new item with the button Add New Item. For operator, you select equal. As value, you set 0. And for unit, you select the arrow to the right and choose temperature_C. This is the unit degree Celsius. Insert a new item with the same button, set as value 1. For unit, you choose temperature_F. For Fahrenheit. Click on OK. To set the UnitScheme, you go to the project tree to Data Servers and do a double click. Select the server temperature and select for the line UnitScheme your UnitScheme. Click on OK. To add the unit text, you do a right click on the numEdit and choose Variable Text, Unit Text. Place the unit text next to the numEdit. You will already see that the decimal point is set and next to it is the text. To test the project, you download every project to the stations. At first, select the temperature value, for example 20 degrees Celsius. Press the button and you will see that it switches from Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. If you press the button again, it goes from Fahrenheit back to Celsius.